We are breaking down this generic plastic drawer organizer. Welcome back to another episode of the 7-Figure Product Series. If this is your first time on the channel, you're gonna wanna subscribe and click that notification bell right now, because every single week, we're diving deep and pulling back the curtains on successful products that are earning over 7 figures per year with just one product. We're literally showing you exactly how they find these products. We're showing you ways that you could differentiate these products, and we're going over why these products work. The tool that I'm using for this video is Jungle Scout. If you're starting out and you want to start searching for products, regardless if you're in one of our programs or you're just trying to follow along on the channel, I highly suggest that you grab Jungle Scout. They're the oldest in the game. They've been around for a long time, and this is the software we're going to be using. All right, so looking into this one product from this one brand, it looks like they're making around $259,000 per month gross on average. Now, gross means it's not take home. This means what the actual product sales are. But you have actual cost of goods fulfilled, and cost of goods shipped. Those are your three pretty big expenses when it comes to selling on Amazon. The only one left that you have is going to be your advertising, right? So those are the four main expenses that you have that you need to take into consideration. When we're pricing our products and running our advertising campaigns, what I suggest is that you're around 30% profit margin. Now, if you have a product that's selling high volume, sometimes you'll see larger sellers settle for lower profit margins, sometimes maybe in the 20 to 25%. But let's just be conservative and say 30% profit margin, which is around $70,000 to $75,000 profit every single month. If you times that by 12, that's nearly $1 million profit per year with just one product. If we search by the actual main keyword, which is gonna be plastic drawer organizer set, here you can see they're not the only ones that are making some bank. All of these other brands are absolutely crushing it. You have V-Top Mart doing $409,000 per month. At 30% margins, that's 6 figures per month, definitely 7 figures per year profit. You have Elto W doing $60,000 per month. It's around $18,000 profit per month, around $180,000 to $200,000 per year. So here you can see that these people are absolutely crushing it, and the list goes on. This is a perfect example. You see EchoWare down here, which is a large brand, and this is one of the main questions that we get here in the channel. And when it comes to consulting and mentoring, Josh, what happens if I find a good product and there's large competitors in the niche? There's whales in this niche that are industry giants that are in Walmart and have been around for, tens of years. How can we compete with them? What if Amazon is selling in the listing? What if they're selling in this actual niche that I'm trying to come into as a small guy? And here's the thing, it doesn't matter, because a majority of these top sellers, a majority of these whales in these industries did not get their market share on Amazon, which means they are not going all in on Amazon. I wouldn't tell you how many times I see even Amazon themselves not optimizing listings. If I head over to this listing, guys, they're profiting 7 figures per year. The pictures could definitely be improved. They're not the highest quality. They're pretty much generic. There's tons of things you could do. I don't really see an infograph. I don't see any specifications. There's tons of things that we talk about when it comes to improving and optimizing your images. People like seeing sizes. They like seeing pros. They like seeing benefits. They like seeing features. They do have the before and after, which is really, really good. I'm often talking about using paint or showcasing paint inside your pictures. So they did that right. But if we scroll down and we look at the bullet points are simply just the sizes. Now, inside the bullet points, these are key components, key real estate on Amazon, where you get not only the access to use persuasive literature and copy to be able to sell your products. This is going to increase your conversions, but these are also valuable areas where you can have keywords which are going to help your organic ranking. Now, below your keywords, you have your description area. And here in the description area, you can see that they are very, very bland. Again, it's talking about dimensions and some very generic sentences talking about the size and what's included. You want to make sure that you're optimizing and maximizing the keyword length that you have in your description and your bullet point areas. You want to be using key keywords. That way you can increase your organic ranking and your SEO or search engine optimization, because after all, Amazon is a search engine just like Google. It's just an e-commerce based search engine where you go to buy things. One of the biggest things that I see a lot of clients struggle with, and the biggest components where they fall victim to analysis paralysis, is packaging. When you're starting out, you're not trademarked, right? You don't have a copyright. no one knows exactly who you are, and your first product that you release out into Amazon is not gonna be your best product, it's not gonna be your final product. I always love to use Apple as an example. Every single year, Apple sells us the same thing and it's new and improved. So if Amazon's a $1 trillion company and every single year, they're literally enhancing and improving these products and we're buying the same thing over and over again, packaging is different, features are different, then allow yourself to launch a product and it not be perfect, because perfectionism leads to procrastination. And if you're trying to launch the perfect package, the perfect product, chances are you're never gonna start, or you're gonna spend too much time, effort, and energy as well as resources doing so. This is a generic corrugated brown, no color box. Not super crazy, which it's okay. I'm huge on packaging, but you have to know when you're going overboard with packaging. I'm not gonna go crazy with a product like this as packaging because it's not really giftable. No one's gifting plastic organizer sets for birthdays or for Christmas. This is more of a generic general purpose product, and generic general purpose packaging works. Now, there are a few things right off the bat that I see when in terms of constructive criticism. If you look, you can kind of see that this packaging is a little beat up around the corners. I'm big on crush factor. Crush factor is going to come to the thickness of the corrugated boxes, maybe sometimes internal components that go on the sides of the boxes that are going to reconstruct it and make it a little bit more durable. I just like my stuff coming in tip-top shape and making sure that there is no type of issues when clients or customers get the products. This is going to combat your returns and also help with your customer experience. Now, when we're looking at the packaging, there's a few things. Here it has the model number, it has the name of the product, it has the pieces inside the product, the dimensions, and it has their slogan, which Your Home Enhancer is their slogan. Looks like they have a UPC code, which means they may be selling this in other sites or other platforms as well. Has some important information like BPA free and where it is manufactured and what it's manufactured by. Other than that, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Some tape right down the middle. It's not shrink wrapped or anything like this. I do take notice that their brand looks like it's trademarked. It has a little R with the circle. Even though this doesn't go into packaging and product development, a trademark is one of the most important things that you can do for yourself as an Amazon seller or a new Amazon seller. Earlier on, you trademark your brand, the better, because it does take 6 months, 9 months, sometimes even 12 months plus. So it's good to go ahead and get that out the way if you're able to. So one thing I like off the top, which I'm a huge fan of, is when the products fit the packaging like a glove. Here you can see there's no room, there's no slack. It fits it really nice. It fits it really elegantly, which I really like. I don't like when there's a ton of slack and a ton of slop for two reasons. Number one, it's gonna make the experience of opening this a lot better because it fits like a glove. Number two, it's also gonna help protect it. So once we open this, it looks like it's just all of these products stacked, and they're stacked in a row. A few ways that we could improve it right off the bat that I see, maybe on the inside we could add inserts. So it looks like they have lines in here to hold stuff from sliding around, which is nice. I would like to explore the option of maybe having like a rubber insert or something on the inside. On the bottom side, they have these little circles which are going to act as trying to hold it in position so it doesn't slide. I would like to see possibly some little rubber inserts on the bottom of this, that way it doesn't scratch if it's wood cabinetry or it's on top of granite or wood or something like that. Also, it doesn't make that scratching plastic noise. Other than that, the products look solid. Very simple product, very generic product. You don't have to be the next Apple. You don't have to be the next Louis Vuitton. There are needs for generic products like this. There's two different types of products that you can have when starting an Amazon business. You have your general brand, your general products, and then you have your private label brands, your private label products. You don't have to go out and be the next designer private label product like Beats by Dre, or like one of the products that we broke down in 7-Figure Products series, which is the blender bottle. You can service a need, which is storage. This is a problem that everyday people have across the globe. It doesn't matter if you're 18 or you're 70. It doesn't matter if you live in Alaska or Atlanta. People have messy drawers, and this is a problem that needs to be solved. And that's what we do. Everyday people like me and you find everyday products like this that people need, that people are going to buy. They have been buying, they will continue to buy, and they need right now, and we start businesses around them. And all you need is one product to start. So if you stuck around this long and you thought, wow, this is really interesting, wow, this is easier than I thought, wow, I think I can do this, and you'd be interested in having me and my team personally help you along the entire way, whether it's give you all the education, give you all the resources, give you all the templates, personally help you and mentor you, or even do everything for you, from product research to product development, to building out your listing and even managing your business, go ahead and click the link down below or go to amztogether.com, and you're gonna see a short 15 to 30 minute video where I talk a little bit more about this business, how it works, and if you feel that this is something you can commit to and something you're interested in, you can go ahead and schedule a short, free, no-risk consultation with me and my team to see if this is something that works for you. Other than that, if you're new to the channel and you stuck around this entire time and you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell next to it, because every Monday and Wednesday we drop new videos, including a new 7-figure product series video, and every Friday we go live to answer your questions. I'll see you in the next video. There's a few of them coming up right now, and remember, you're only one product away.